Creating Chances is a youth development organisation that uses sport as the vehicle to develop young people. Within the first year of operating as a social enterprise, that means selling our programs through to schools. We tripled in size and then we doubled in size again within 2 years. And that created a range of growth issues, issues in terms of how to manage our systems and processes, issues in terms of the work with ASIC and the ATO as well.
I joined Creating Chances as treasurer around about 2012, and we were delivering programs to 4 or 5 schools. Now Creating Chances in 2020 is delivering to over 100 schools. So we've had an incredible growth curve, and with growth comes an equal amount of risk, and that risk applies right across the organisation. So we had a very deep need to implement a way to unify our sales and operations activity, as well as providing richer data to the management team and ultimately to the board. As the business grew, the risk would have grown with it. We felt that the Microsoft stack of products is a brand that we're confident with. Equally so, the partnership with KPMG was really critical from that point of view. We felt as though the capability both within the Microsoft product and the KPMG team was a very powerful combination that we could rely on.
The benefit of KPMG being able to provide a whole bunch of management time to consult with us, to advise us on how this can fit with our organisation and build it into our systems and processes was key to us getting it up and going.
The bulk of our costs are labour costs, and we were manually capturing those costs in a separate system and then bringing up those costs across to MYOB and then not being able to do much with that data. The key difference with Wiise is we can report on multiple dimensions. We can report on the cost centre, we can report on funding source, region, down to school level. So previously using MYOB, our only measurement was essentially our cash flow forward-looking 6 to 12 months. Wiise allows us to capture all of our program costs. So it's a people business, and Wiise enables us to capture that data at the source and then distribute it across our programs, across our products, across our regions, and also across our funding source. So we're able to know where we're spending the finite resource of cash that we have by all those dimensions. Now we understand exactly what our programs cost, no matter where they're delivered in New South Wales and what the product is. We understand that. So we're a completely officeless business. We work remotely, we all work on our own laptops, and therefore the Microsoft Cloud becomes critical to our operations. We relied upon Microsoft tools to take our business to the next level. We knew that in the end, having quality dashboards, measuring our impact, measuring our performance as an organisation, that Microsoft was going to be key to achieving that.